right away with the easy-to-use Brother XM2701. It's perfect for beginners or for more advanced sewers looking for a great portable machine. The 27 built-in stitches include stitches for everyday sewing, blind hems, quilting, and decorative stitches. Selecting your stitch is as easy as turning a dial, and the one-step buttonhole is automatically sized to fit your buttons. You also get 6 quick change sewing feet, a tremendous value. It's incredibly easy to change between feet. With just a touch of a lever, your needle is threaded for you. With the quick set top drop-in bobbin, there's no need to pull the thread up before use. And it's easy to see when you're low on thread. The LEDs give you a super bright work area to see details. Plus, you'll love how easy the instructions are to follow. Enjoy all the great built-in features, including accessories and Brother support, with the reliable, easy to learn and use XM2701 from Brother.
This Singer sewing machine features a heavy-duty metal frame. The inner frame of the sewing machine is constructed of heavy-duty metal. It provides rigid support, holding all the mechanisms in perfect alignment for skip-free sewing and overall durability. It's built for years of extended use. In addition, the machine's stainless steel bed plate provides for smooth fabric feeding. It also helps prevent scratches on the machine surface while sewing. To insert or remove a bobbin, make sure the needle is in its highest position by turning the hand wheel toward you. Remove the extension table from the machine, and then open the hinged cover. Pull the bobbin case tab, and then remove the bobbin case. Hold the bobbin case with one hand. Remove the bobbin. Insert the full bobbin so that the thread moves in a clockwise direction. Pull the thread through the slit and under the finger. Hold the bobbin case by the hinged latch. Insert it into the shuttle. You should feel it click into place. Once the bobbin case is correctly seated, release the latch. To check that the bobbin case has been properly installed, slowly turn the hand wheel toward you. The needle should move up and down without hitting the bobbin case. If the needle hits the bobbin case, or if the bobbin case starts falling out of the shuttle, remove the bobbin case completely and reinsert it. The bobbin thread tension can be tested by removing the bobbin case and bobbin and holding them suspended by the thread tail. Bounce it once or twice. If the thread unwinds an inch or two, the tension is set correctly. If the thread doesn't unwind at all, the tension is set too tightly. Turn the screw on the side of the bobbin case to the left to loosen tension. If the bobbin case drops too much, the tension is set too loosely. Turn the screw on the side of the bobbin case to the right to tighten. Feed dogs are located under the presser foot of the sewing machine. Feed dogs move from front to back in a rotating motion to move the fabric through the machine as you sew. Conveniently located at the back of the machine, the drop feed lever lowers the feed dogs. Disengage the feed dogs when free motion sewing so you can move the fabric manually. By adding an optional darning embroidery foot, you can do free motion sewing. Drop feed is a must-have for quilting and fashion sewing.
Looking to up your embroidery game? You can bring creative ideas like these to life with ease. With a Brother PE800 5x7 embroidery machine by your side. The large full-color LCD touchscreen lets you add, edit, and preview designs before making a single stitch, and includes a generous 5x7 embroidery area to bring the designs to life before your eyes. There are 138 built-in designs to choose from if you're looking for inspiration, with 11 stunning built-in fonts to help you express yourself. You can seamlessly import designs via the handy USB port and preview it on the LCD touchscreen display. You can combine multiple designs, rotate things around, and even change colors, and adjust lettering to fit your vision. Just look at those results. And of course, automatic needle threading makes things easy on you. Whether you're just getting into embroidery or you're a seasoned pro, the PE800 5x7 embroidery machine is the partner you need to create beautiful designs that pop.